Hi, welcome back. Today in this video, what we are going to do for binding this nav link. What are the nav link is there? That all link we are going to. So for that, we are planning to use for reusable component. So we will open that our application, and under that we will add one section that is for nav link. Nav link.tsx file. So first for that, what we need to do, it's a function component. So constant nav link equal to, we can use as usual what we are doing, return, simply as of now we'll give nav link, export default. So we are exporting default the nav link. In this nav link I'm going to add under index. So next to login button I'm going to add nav link. We have three nav link. You can see here we have three navigation link. One is for become a seller, more, and cart. So what we'll do, currently we have add three nav link here. Save. So now you can see our output how it is. See, three nav link is coming. So we will design that nav link. Now we can see this all is arranged properly. Now we'll do here in the nav link, we will get a property called text, because we have different nav link, right? So we called props. Okay, now I'm going to add here text. So this props, we don't have a text, so what I'm going to use, type props equal to, because previously why it is showing, but props is not defined, so I'm going to add text string. Now we are able to see the text here, and the text what we are going to do, as just we are going to display here. For displaying the text we will use, this is the way. Here we need no need the props, this is the, okay. Now we are good here. Now you see here it is automatically started throwing an error because all the links is required for type. So what we need to do, text, we need to add first text, what it is, become a seller, right? So first text it is saying become a seller. So for that what we need to add, become a seller. Second text is more, text equal to more. Third text is cart, text is cart. Now if you save this, dynamically it is changing. Here what we learned, so one component to another component, how we can pass the properties. Now we'll design this component. So nav link, now we will see the text how we can design. So the text color we need a white, and other stuff we need to do. For that we can add, it's, you see the text is not only link, right? The text is not a normal text, right? It's a link. So for that what we'll do, we'll add link from Next.js link, and the next link href need something, so we'll add it some link here, and we can add text. Now what we are facing the problem, each and everything it is required for another href, so added that. Similar way how we did for text. So I'm going to do here href. Now you can see everywhere it is started going to throw an error under that index because we missed again href. So as of now, what I'm going to do, everywhere href is empty will give. Href equal to empty. Use single quote because everywhere we are using the same. Now if I save here, we are passing href also, each and everything we are passing href. Cool. Now next step, what we'll do, colors and designs we need to change. So what colors and what other things we will try. Now for this first step, this all link it should bind under one div. Okay, so that div I'm going to add here, this link here, and then we'll add some class name. Class name, as usual, what we need to do, classes start nav link. Okay, this classes first will import from import class from CSS. Now we are cool, but that nav link class is not available under that Navbar, so we'll add it then. Apply as usual. Now we'll do text to white first, and as usual we'll use font semi-bold, font semi-bold. Now we'll see how it is behaving. Yeah, perfect, right? Now but if you see that alignment is misleading, so everything is middle, that menus is top. So what we'll do, margin, we'll add it this way, margin y, we can add margin y means top and bottom. Top and bottom we can give 3. Okay, now we'll see. Yeah, perfect right now. So it looks cool. Now next what we need to do, it looks everything perfect. Now next step, what we need to do, here you can see the cart have icon as well as more have some icon. We'll do the same component, how we can achieve that. So for that we need to use prefix URL and suffix URL. See, the two places we have the problem. So one is for after more it is available, and another one is for cart before the icon is there. So for that we need to add 2 more properties. So one is for prefix icon, so pre icon, and another one is post icon or suffix icon, we can say suff icon. But here this is a nullable property, you can pass or you don't want to pass. If I remove this question mark, you can see here it is started throwing an error. But if I add question mark, it is not throwing any error, right? Because it's nullable. If you want, you can pass, or you don't want, you don't want to pass. The other thing what we need to do here, so if it is coming prefix icon here before this link, I'm going to validate that. If it's coming prefix icon before that, we need to import it from here. If you are adding any prefix icon, I need to add an image, else I don't want to do anything. Okay, perfect, right? So if you want to add here, what we need to do, what it's a image tag, right? So image, what image it is, src. src is whatever it is coming, pre icon, and height width. Height, why it is not showing? Okay, because import is not happened for image. Import So we can add image from next image. So perfect. Now we can see here height, yes. So height we can see 20 and width we can say 20 and alt we can use what text is coming as usual. Okay, so text. Now perfectly done this. So now we can see close. Now you see if I'm not passing anything, you can see here. You see our output, it's not broken anything, still it's perfect. Now what I'll do, I will pass icon, some icon here. So example, this card I want to pass some icon. Okay, so what icon we need to pass? For already we have icons, right? So it is under prefix icon. So what icon I need to pass? img under that card.svg. If I save here, see that is appearing, but that alignment is misleading for us now. So that we need to fix it. We'll come back. So next what we'll do, another one icon, suffix icon. Similar way, whatever it is coming, if it is a suffix icon, it should be under suffix. So nothing big change. So suffix icon is coming, then pass its suffix icon. Here read the suffix. Okay, cool. Now here under that we need to more. Okay, more under that we need to get it that icon. So suff icon equal to the same image folder and down arrow dot png. So now if I save all, you can see this more, it will show down arrow and here everything. Now this alignment we need to be corrected. So alignment, how we can correct it? So for that alignment we need to add a class called flex. That's what the flex is playing here. Now we need to add flex. Now you can see, but the problem here, we need some space. Now here I want to have some gap between two icons. So for that what we need to do, some gap, I can give something 1. Okay, so now we'll say, now we can see, yeah, perfectly it's done for this menu. Okay, that's all for this video. Now this Navbar section is completed everything. So you can see this all code in my GitHub. So I can share the GitHub link in my description. Thank you for watching.